On 20th of June 2022, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma visited Dangar and Kynmynsaw villages under Mawsynram Block in East Khasi Hills, where he had also met with family members of those killed in the recent landslides. Conrad Sangma also handed over the sanction letter of financial assistance being released to the next of kin of the deceased. At the same time, the Chief Minister also met village leaders to assure them of assistance as well as restoration of electricity and mobile connectivity to the affected areas. It may be mentioned that the landslide at Dangar had taken away 5 lives, including 4 minor children, while at Kynmynsaw, both parents of 3 children had lost their lives in the landslides.
They did have protection. It's just that
small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.